Okay, so in this video, we'll solve a problem where if I pass a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and if all the characters are unique, it will return true. If they are not, it will return false. So here A is twice, so it's false, right? And if all the characters are unique here, let's say G, F, K, L, right? So here all the characters are unique. Here it will return true. So again, the approach here will be to implement to store the count of all the elements in a dictionary. I'll store all the counts of the element in a dictionary. So A will be 2, B will be 1, C will be 1, D will be 1, E will be 1, F will be 1, right? And then I'll traverse through this dictionary again. And then I'll traverse through this dictionary, and for if for any element it's the value is greater than 1, then then I'll just return false, and if it's not, I'll return true. So pretty simple problem. Let's try and implement this. So first of all, to implement the dictionary part, I'll import collections, and then I'll define the function unique, right? Inside this I'll pass an array, right? And then I'll declare the dictionary collections dot default dictionary, right? Default dictionary. For element in array, that means it will traverse through the string, right? And it will store the count for each element plus equals to 1. So in previous videos I explained what a default dictionary is. A default dictionary and how is it like the default dictionary, how is it different from a normal dictionary which will just declare like this, right? How is it different from it? So like here, if I have B, C, C, E, F, G, G, H, right? Here if I start storing the counts while traversing through the string, right? So count of B will be 1, count of C will be 2, count of E will be 1 again, right? So after storing the counts, if you ask count for an alphabet which is not there in the string at all, let's say count I, right? So a normal dictionary will throw a key error because I is not there in the string, but a default dictionary will return you the value, but a default dictionary will return you 0. Why? Because it by default sets the value for a key as 0 if it does not exist, right? So that's the difference between a normal dictionary and a default dictionary, right? So here we have stored all the elements in the dictionary, and then we will traverse through the dictionary for element in count. If count of the element is greater than 1, then return false, right? Else return true. Not else, actually we are will write this true outside of the loop here. If it gets, if it finds that count of some element is some element is greater than 1, it will return false there, and the function will end there itself. But if it doesn't happen, if the loop completes and if all the elements are unique, then here it will return true at the end of the loop, uh, when all the elements, when none of the elements have a count greater than 1, right? So pretty simple solution. Let me know in the comment section if you have a better solution than this. And if you have any doubts regarding this one, you can always comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos on programming, right?